Welcome to Mother-Daughter Projects. I'm Steph.
I'm Vicki.
We recently had a comment asking if we could do a 1 year later video about the shed right here, and we decided we can do that. So today we are going to kind of take a look around the shed, open it up, we haven't been in there in a while, and show you kind of how we use it and look at how everything is going, because there are some things we haven't actually shared. Actually, Mom went in there recently, and what did you find?
I found this bag, and it is cloth bag, and I found that there is some mildew on it, so I'm gonna see if I can clean it. So it's obviously not watertight, and here in Florida, anytime there's water and heat, you get this. So it's not someplace you're going to store a lot of precious things, but things that are outdoor plastic, things that you can be cleaned easily if they do get some mold on them. So that's the only thing I really found. I have a real nose for mildew, and this first thing I smelled when I went in there.
Yeah, so let's go inside and see what else we can find, and if there's any kind of other mildew, and see if there's any signs of water, which I don't think there is, but we'll go check. So Mama's going to undo the lock here.
And one of the things people have asked about are the doors, because some people, when they put these in, the doors don't sit right, and these, we've never had any problems with them, and they open easily, and they stay where they're supposed to stay.
So you can see the doors.
Well, I guess
the doors open and stay open pretty well. This one does list a little bit, but I think that's because of the sidewalk. So
it's at an angle. But
all right.
Anyway, otherwise.
So this is what is inside our shed that we decided to keep in here. So we have the bike, my dad's bike, which was a big reason why we put this shed in here. And then we have an AC unit that we use in the garage during the summer times that we have stored in here. We have a storage box that is out here. We have a tent that's for doing projects under when it's really sunny, and we have all of these coolers here. So these coolers are emergency coolers for when there's a hurricane. We put our food in here if our fridge has stopped working, and this is our ramp for the trailer. So that's pretty much what we keep in here. Let's kind of see, do you see any kind of, there is, some dirt on the floor, but that's to be expected.
But it does not smell like mildew now.
There's no smell in here whatsoever.
Now that I've gotten that bag out of here.
Oh, we also do have our pressure washer in here. So you can see
there's no place where there's
I don't see any water. So one thing is, right after we had built it, there was some water coming in right in this corner. So what we ended up doing was we used some Flex Seal tape, and we put it right here on the outside. And we think this issue is probably maybe like a manufacturing issue, but we didn't want to take down the shed and return it. So we just put this here, and it's been working. So this is Flex Seal tape, and that has been keeping all the water out. But you can see this is the roof up here, and people have mentioned that it was going to like kill this flower bed back here. So you can see
it's still as weedy as ever.
It's still, it had weeds before. So this is the back of it, and then we did put it underneath the house a little bit, so you can see in here we have just some storage stuff, and everything looks fine back there. This is the overhang, so really it's held up really well. I'm really happy with it. It's something where we put stuff in here that we don't use hardly often at all, but it's big stuff that could get in the way. There is a little bit of like rust around here. There's a little bit of rust around here, but we could probably clean that up with some
WD-40.
Some WD-40, yeah. And the lock actually that we got has really held up well. This was just an outdoor lock we got on Amazon. So that's held up really well. No rust on that at all. Maybe a little bit of fading on the top, but it's Florida. So it's held up really well. All right, so that is the shed. What do you think?
I've been very pleased with it. It holds a lot of stuff. I like the design, and it keeps things dry. So, it's a shed. That's what it needs to do.
And one of the things we did was we put it onto this concrete slab out in the back of my mom's house. And I think that was the thing that's really made it hold up well, because it has a nice firm foundation. That's the biggest thing that I've read about resin shelves is you need a nice firm foundation. And so it's worked really well. We haven't had any hurricanes, so we can't test to make sure it stays there. Oh darn. We're actually happy about that. But we did secure it to the concrete in a second video. So we'll put a link to the 2 videos that we've done on the shelf, on the shed below. And if you have any questions, anything else about the shed, let us know. We might be able to answer that for you. But thanks for joining us. If you want to see more projects from us, be sure to visit us at motherdaughterprojects.com. Bye.